Hello guys, welcome back again to my English comprehension exercise for my beginners. Today we're going to be going over 2 more new vocabulary words that you should know in English. But before we get started guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me. As always, it would be greatly appreciated. So the 2 words we're going to be talking about today, the 2 English vocabulary words, are stranded and abandoned. What does stranded mean? Stranded means that you are left without a way of getting out of something. Like those people were stranded on the highway. And the word abandoned, but in this example, I'm going to give you a sentence with a house. This house looks abandoned. Study those 2 vocabulary words, my new beginners out there wanting to learn English. If you do not understand those words completely as I just explained them, please get out that English dictionary and look it up. And I will see you during the next vocabulary exercise. Have a good day, guys. Bye.